China Yishengde Tofu is a professional tofu manufacturer, specializing in the design and production of various artificial tofu. Products include sports artificial grass, leisure artificial grass, special purpose artificial grass, multifunctional sports field artificial grass. About the price. Quotation table. The price indicated a square meter package price is a square meter species arbitrary splicing cut. About the size. Single-piece products are available in 3 sizes, 40-60 cm, 50-50 cm, 100-100 cm. These 3 specifications can be seamlessly spliced at will, can be trimmed at will, flexibility is very good, can also be bent to do shape. About shipping. Bulk orders. We are in strict accordance with the contract picture with the style of delivery. The export box is a fixed box size and capacity. Frequently asked questions. What is the size of the lawn? 40-60 cm. One piece of 0.24 square meters. 1 square meter needs 4.2 pieces of lawn. A piece of 50-50 cm is 0.25 square meters. 1 square meter requires 4 pieces of lawn. 100-100 cm piece, 1 piece of. The lawn has a smell. Normally there is no smell, but during the long-distance transportation, there may be a little smell, just dry it. 3. How long can the lawn be used? Outdoor 3 years, indoor can use 5 to 10 years. 4. What material is the lawn made of? New material plastic is to do the kind of plastic basin, the kind of fall not broken, so non-toxic and harmless. Pro. Our product advantages. Our products are not only antioxidant, but also have a very good flame retardant function, making us safer during use. Need to order more styles of best-selling products? Welcome to contact us. WeChat +861562202997